Hello everyone, my name is Ashtam Akil. I stay in UK and I make videos about interesting topics and beautiful places in UK. And guys, if you are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, to our topic is what things to pack to UK if you are coming for the first time. And friends, one more important thing is I already made this video in Telugu language, but so many people are messaging me, please do this video in English also. That's the reason I made this video for you. So guys, I'm going to explain everything in detail. So please watch the video until the end. And guys, one more important thing is I'm going to say every required item. You can filter from that and you can bring according to your convenience and comfort. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the topic. And friends, today I'm going to explain everything in categories. First thing is dresses and other things. Guys, you need to bring minimum 3 pair of hoodies because we'll have so much cool temperature. So if you want to roam outside peacefully, so you need to wear hoodies types ones and you need to bring coats and jackets. Please don't forget to bring coats and jackets. The temperature is very cold. You can't roam outside without wearing a jacket in winter season. So please try to bring at least 2 jackets. So according to your luggage and comfort. And guys, next one is thermals. Please don't forget thermals. Thermals will be very helpful in winter season. And guys, next one is t-shirts. Bring at least 10 t-shirts and for girls bring at least 10 tops. So it will be useful for you. And guys, next one is bring long sleeve t-shirts at least 5 pairs because in winter season it will be so helpful. And guys, please don't say that Akhil bro only said 5 pair of t-shirt, that's why I brought only 5 pairs. So don't be like that. Plan according to your comfort and convenience. And guys, next one is jeans. Bring at least 5 pair of jeans, it will be useful to you. And guys, next one is track pants. So bring at least 5 pair of track pants. And guys, you need to bring some branded track pants because it should be like you can wear outside also, you can roam on track pants outside also. So it will be so useful to you. And guys, next one is traditional wear. Bring at least 1 pair of traditional wear dresses like kurtas. When it comes to girls, one sari. So it will be useful to you on festival times like Ganesh Chaturthi, Sri Ram Navami. And guys, bring at least 1 pair of suits. On the special events of university, suits will be very helpful to you. So bring at least 1 pair. It doesn't matter if it will be in the bag. So guys, bring at least 1 pair. It will be so useful to you. Next one is shoes. And guys, bring at least 3 pair of shoes. So shoes be like one for winter season and one for like party wear, another one for like any jobs or formal or casual wear. So bring at least 3 pair of shoes. It will be very useful to you. And don't forget to bring socks. Bring at least 5 pair of socks. And guys, the socks should be long because it is a winter season, right? It will be so much cold. If the socks is long, it will be very helpful to you. And guys, next one is house chappal. In UK, we'll roam in houses with chappals only. So bring at least 1 pair of house chappal. It will be so useful to you. Without the chappal, we'll doesn't roam in the houses. We will roam with our chappals only. So it will be useful to you when you are in the house. And next one is bring one belt, 1 or 2 belt according to your convenience. And guys, next one is pair of gloves. Please don't forget to bring pair of gloves because as soon as you come here, the temperature will be very cool. So it's unbearable to roam outside without gloves because it takes some time to roam outside without gloves because you need to settle down with the temperature and the climate. So please don't forget to bring pair of gloves. And friends, I didn't bring the gloves when I came to the UK. My friend said me before only, bring the gloves, it will be very useful. I said like nothing for me, I can handle everything. So as soon as I landed in the Newcastle airport, so I was like 5 minutes like okay, but after 5 minutes it was very cool. So I asked my friend to give 1 pair of gloves. He got extra one. So he was looking at me. I said no. Then I was like laughing, don't giving mind. So I wear that gloves. That's the reason, guys. Don't forget the gloves. It's very important because the temperature is really cool. It will be very helpful to you if you bring it. And friends, these are the dresses you need to bring while you are coming for the UK. So guys, plan according to your comfort and convenience. And guys, now next household items. So guys, bring at least 2 pair of towels. So plan the towels like thin towels. Don't bring fat towels because here weather is so cool. It takes so much time to dry. So guys, bring thin towels. It will be very helpful to you. And guys, next hand towels. Bring at least 2 or 3 pairs. It will be useful to you. And guys, next one is bed sheets and pillow covers. Bring at least 1 pair. It will be useful to you. Guys, next one is blanket or quilt. Guys, please don't bring blankets from your own country because it takes so much luggage space for the blanket. So you can buy it here as soon as you come here, or you can do online also in Amazon or anything after coming here. And guys, one more reason why I'm not saying to bring blankets is because here blankets are designed to this suitable weather condition. So it will be helpful to you. And guys, next one is toiletries and personal items. Bring shampoo, conditioner, face wash, body wash, soaps, toothbrush, toothpaste, lip balm, nail cutter, and skincare creams. So guys, bring all these items according to your luggage and comfort. So guys, bring skincare creams from your own country because as soon as you come here, you can't get the selected brands which you use in your country. So if you buy all the creams here, it might not respond properly to your body and it might lead to allergic reaction. So guys, plan and bring skincare creams from your own country. And friends, after some days everything goes normal, you will be addicted with these weather conditions also, so you can use these creams also later. And guys, next one is stationery and other items. If anyone are toppers, so please don't forget these items, it will be very useful to you. Notebooks, pens, eraser, sharpener, pencil and pen pencil. Guys, pen pencil is more preferable because if you bring the pen pencil, you don't need to bring the eraser, sharpener, pencil. So bring pen pencil, it will be very useful to you. And guys, next one is eyeglasses. Please don't forget to bring at least 3 or 4 pairs of eyeglasses because your eyeglasses are very costly. My friends experienced that, so that's the reason I'm saying you, because here winter right will get scratches on the glasses, so you need to bring at least 4 or 5 pairs. I brought 6 pairs, it is very useful for me for next 1 year. So guys, please don't waste your money for eyeglasses in the UK. Try to bring at least 3 or 4 pairs from your own country. And guys, next one is kitchen items and food. In UK you will get everything, but the taste will be different. So guys, bring some dal, half kg rice and masalas and spices from your own country. And guys, don't forget to bring chili powder. Chili powder is very important because we'll get here also, but that will be not spicy. So bring chili powder from your own country. Friends, here 5 kg chili powder cost 20 pounds and that will be not spicy also. So if you want to get good taste in your foods, bring chili powder from your own country. It will be very helpful to you. And guys, next one is bring some snacks. If anyone are Aldiram lovers or Lays, so bring some chips or snacks. It will be very useful because you can't get that Aldiram and Lays Kurkure here. If you get also, it will be bit pricey. So try to bring some items from your own country. It will be very useful. And if anyone are coffee lovers, bring some coffee or brew for a few days and bring some Maggi packets also. So these snacks items will be so useful to you when you are in the home. You can eat in the free time also. So guys, next one is bowls and vessels. Plan these bowls and vessels according to your luggage and comfort. So if you are 3 or 4 people, try to divide the items. Like say one people to bring serving spoons, another to bring rice cooker, another to bring some bowls. It will be very useful if you share the items. And friends, if you are only one member, don't worry. Bring as much you can. Don't make a headache for that. And guys, next one is pickles. Please don't forget to bring pickles. Bring pickles as many you can bring because pickles are very useful. Truly, I am saying that if you don't like the curry also, you can adjust with pickles. And guys, one more important thing is for pickles you need to do international packing. So please do international packing because if you don't do the international packing, the pickles will leak and the bag will be damaged. So don't forget to do international packing. It is one more important thing because so many people don't pack properly and the oil comes out of the pickle and the bag will be damaged. So plan and bring the pickles properly. And guys, these are the kitchen items you need to bring. So plan properly and bring all the kitchen items because as soon as you come, you can't get all the things outside. So try to survive for at least 3 or 4 days in the house. Later you can buy outside. So guys, plan the kitchen items properly according to your convenience and comfort. And friends, next one is documents. Please don't forget documents. Documents are very important rather than bringing all these items. Bring insurance information like insurance information which covers your travel insurance or any personal insurance. Please don't forget that. For students, it is very important that you should bring all the insurance information. Next one is driving license. Guys, please don't forget to bring international driving license because in UK you will have so many delivery jobs. If you bring international driving license, it will be so useful to you. So guys, please don't forget to bring international driving license. And guys, next one is passport. At least bring 2 copies of passport. It will be very useful to you. And guys, next one is memos, certificate, transcripts, which covers all your study documents. So guys, bring all the certificates that related to your study and all should be original one. So please don't forget to bring the original documents. And guys, one more important thing is bring at least 2 sets of Xerox copies. It will be very useful to you. And leave 2 sets of Xerox copy in your own country because all originals will be with you only. So if there is any emergency, it will be useful in your country. And guys, next one is passport size photos. Please don't forget to bring passport size photos. Bring at least 15 to 20 copies with white background only. Friends, it will be very useful to you when you apply for the jobs or other things also. So guys, don't forget to bring passport size photos. Bring at least 15 to 20 copies. It will be very useful to you. And guys, next one is appliances. Bring laptop, laptop charger, phone charger, pen drive, hard disk, watch, earpods like earphones, and converter and adapter. Guys, please don't forget to bring the adapter because it's very useful to you because as soon as you come to the UK, the pins will be different. If you want to charge your phone as soon as you come to the room, it will be not possible without that adapter. And friends, once I will show the adapter what I brought, it will be useful to you. So plan that and bring that from your own country. And friends, this is the adapter I bought from my own country. Because here UK pins will be different, right? We need to use this adapter to charge our phones. So guys, please don't forget to bring the adapters. You can get it in online or any nearby store. And friends, this one I bought here only. So I bought it for 2 pounds in the Poundland. So guys, please don't forget to bring this adapter. It will be so useful to you as soon as you come to the UK. And guys, next one is medicines. Friends, bring all the medicines with prescription only. Please don't bring any medicines without prescription. It's illegal. So guys, plan the medicines according to your requirement, like for headache, stomach ache, motions, and like fever. So bring some paracetamol and other tablets. It will be very convenient to you because your tablets will be different and your body resistance will be not capable if you use this tablet. So bring the medicines from your own country for some days. It will be very useful to you. And friends, if you are weak, you are not able to bear the cold condition, bring some vitamin tablets also. It will be very useful to you. And bring vitamin D tablets also because your sun will be very less. So who has vitamin D very less, try to bring vitamin D tablets. It will be very useful to you. And friends, that's all about my video. And these are the items you need to bring while you are coming for the UK for the first time. And friends, bring all the items as much you can bring. If you miss anything also, you can buy in UK. No worries about that. And friends, all you need to do is plan properly about your luggage, like how many items I should bring, like how many pairs, so that your luggage will be convenient and it will be comfortable for you while traveling. And friends, if you have any questions, please feel free to do a comment or message me in Instagram. I'm putting my Instagram ID in this video and video description also. So guys, don't hesitate to message me in Instagram. I'll reply you within one day. And friends, all the best for your journey. Travel safe and be safe. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And friends, if you like my video, press the like button. Signing off, Indian by Vlogs.